What is a conservator's responsibility for annual accounting? Imagine managing someone else's money and making sure everything is transparent and correct. That is what a conservator does, especially when it comes to annual accounting. Every year, the law requires conservators to prepare a detailed report about the financial situation of the person they are caring for. This report is called an annual accounting, and it helps the court and interested parties see how the conservator is handling the finances. The conservator must gather all financial records from the past year. This includes bank statements, canceled checks, receipts, and any other proof of income or expenses. They need to show how much money the conservatee received, such as Social Security payments or pensions, and how much was spent on things like medical bills, housing, or personal needs. They also have to list any changes in the conservatee's assets, like property or investments. Preparing the report involves filling out standard forms that the court provides. These forms give a clear summary of the conservatee's finances. The conservator also needs to include a plan or budget for the upcoming year, showing how they will continue to manage the estate responsibly. They must update the inventory of assets, debts, and liabilities to reflect the current situation. Once the report is ready, the conservator must send copies to the court and notify the conservatee and other interested parties. This keeps everyone informed and allows them to ask questions or raise concerns if needed. The conservator then files the report with the court for approval. The court reviews the accounting to make sure the conservator is managing the finances properly and in the best interest of the conservatee. Sometimes, the court asks for additional documents, like a detailed budget or a projection of future expenses. These help the court see if the conservator is planning well for the conservatee's financial needs. Fulfilling these responsibilities is very important because it protects the conservatee from financial abuse or mismanagement. Conservators are considered fiduciaries, which means they have a legal duty to act honestly and prudently. Failing to submit accurate and timely annual accounting can lead to court sanctions or even removal from the role. To stay on top of these duties, conservators should keep organized records throughout the year. They might also want to work with professionals like attorneys or accountants to prepare the reports. Knowing the specific court rules and deadlines in their jurisdiction is essential to avoid problems. In the end, annual accounting is about transparency and accountability. It ensures that the conservator manages the conservatee's money responsibly and that the court can oversee this process effectively.